to daily challenges. I've been getting so many requests from my friends to make something out of chicken, like snacks or like starter treats, something like that, which is easy to make and like simple recipes. So that is exactly what we're going to be doing today. And I don't touch chicken. I know I eat chicken, I make chicken, but I don't touch chicken. Last time also when I put the recipe of chicken, lemon pepper chicken, it was not me, it was my roommate who was helping me because she is comfortable touching non-veg and I'm not. So today she's going to be helping me, she's going to be my sous chef. And without any further ado, let's move on to the recipe. Today we are going to be making chicken cheese stick, and for that let's move on to our first procedure, and that is to marinate our chicken. I have taken chicken breast 500 grams, that is half kg, and my roommate, sorry I was going to say sous chef, my roommate is going to come here and help me to cut it because you come and you show. Okay. See, the thickness of the chicken is too much and we want it thin because we want it nice and flat and a big slice so that we can fry it on the pan. So she's going to be cutting it into thin slices. She'll show you. Whoa.
You want to try?
No. No way.
Feels like
I bought
jelly.
tongs also, you know. Ugh. I bought tongs to like let it be joint, don't, no? Yup, like that.
Like,
In short.
So, is it like this?
It was like that, and then she has cut it from the middle and made it like that, heart shaped. So cute. Okay, I'll give you a better close up with the second one. Let me go there. I'll She is taking out the extra. Show us the piece. And now she'll cut it from the middle. Okay, cool. Wait. Yep. Thank you. So my roommate has cut this chicken and now we have to hammer it a bit. I'm using this balan to do that. Okay, done. And I'm taking this polythene. If you have plastic wrap, that's okay. I'm using normal polythene. And now you can see how thin this is gone. So I'll keep this aside for marination and we'll do the same to the next piece. And now we'll be poking this with a fork. So that it gets properly marinated and all the flavors go deep inside. Okay, done. Now we'll put this in a marination bowl. So the marination process is very easy because you need only 3 things. That is pepper. Oh, sorry. Thank you, Ketki. A bit of pepper powder. Ketki, you'll have to help me to mix it, okay? It won't be able to mix properly with that tongue.
No, I don't want to.
Please.
You try it, please.
No, please. Okay, sorry. Yeah, put salt. Just a pinch or 2. And we are going to be adding buttermilk. This is Amul buttermilk. You can use any. Please, Miss Ketki, do the honors. Come, it's your turn.
At least try once. Hey, dude.
What?
Just chayega.
I can do it.
Do without using it.
No. That's the smartness, na? Okay. You can see this is properly dipped and mixed. Thank you, but no thank you, Ketki, I did. So we'll keep this to marinate for at least an hour in the refrigerator. Now while the chicken is marinating in the refrigerator, we'll prepare a mashed potato that we'll be needing for making the covering. So I have taken 3 large potato and I have boiled it and peeled off the skin, and now we'll smash it using this fork. So when your potato is nicely smashed, there should be no lumps. Now it's time to add some oregano and some chili flakes. So what me and my roommate does is that whenever we order pizza, we keep the sachets with us. We have oregano, the bottle, but I don't know, I like to use this. So I'll be adding 2 packets of oregano and 2 packets of chili flakes. I think all the bachelors in the world does that. It's not only us, right?
Right.
Okay, now we'll be adding some breadcrumbs. If you don't have breadcrumbs, what you can do is you can take your fresh bread and just blend it in the blender, like 1 or 2, and then we'll be adding this. Should be enough. A bit of salt. Okay. And pepper. I'm not using anything exact quantity, I'm using according to taste, so you can do that. And now we'll mix it all well. And now you can see that everything is well combined. And now we'll just wait for the chicken to marinate. Now the chicken is properly marinated, as you can see. It's been a little bit more than 1 hour. Now we have to fry the chicken, so I have turned up the heat and we'll be adding cooking oil. Now the oil is properly heated. Now we'll be adding a chicken to it. Ketki, please. Whoa! Whoa! Do you need a...
No.
It's one-sided.
What one-sided?
Oh my god. Wait. We have to wait now. I think we need to add a little bit more oil. And now we'll cover this up and let it cook. Now we'll check if our chicken is cooked or not from one side, and then we'll flip it. Wow. Cool. Okay, now we'll let it cook from the other side as well. Now we'll check if our chicken is done or not. And it looks pretty good. We have to cook it till it is nice and golden brown, and if you want to see if it is cooked properly or not, you can just stick a knife and just see if it is going. Yeah, it's done. So we'll do the same to the next piece. Now I have my chicken ready, the cheese and the stuffing, and now I'll show you how to stack them together. We had this piece like this, so we'll be cutting it from between and making it into 2 pieces, and same for the other one. And the other pieces which were left over, I have fried them also. It will come handy. It will not going to go waste. So now we'll stack the cheese. Now we'll put the other top of it. And again a layer of cheese. Other layer of chicken. You can see that I have stacked the chicken and the cheese. Now we'll poke the sticks into it. I'm going to be making 8 sticks out of it. Oh, upside down. And now we'll cut them up. Okay, this is all cut. Now we'll cut it from the middle. Good. It's good. Now it's time to cover up our chicken with this mashed potato that we have made earlier. So we'll just make it flat on our hands. And add 1 stick gently and cover it up. See, now it will look kind of like this. Cute, na? So, oh sorry, I have to keep it on this. Now we have to do the same to rest of our sticks. Now I'm taking a packet of Doritos and I'll be blending it and forming a fine powder out of it for the covering of our chicken cheese sticks. But if you don't have Doritos, you can replace it with breadcrumbs. Now for the final step, I have taken 2 eggs and I have beaten it up. Now we are having all-purpose flour, that is Maida, and the Doritos that we have blended. And now we'll take our chicken cheese stick, sorry, and dip it in this egg. And then in the all-purpose flour. Now our chicken cheese sticks are properly layered up and it's time for deep fry. Now when the oil is properly heated up, we'll be adding it inside. Now we can flip it over. And let it go from the other side as well. Now this is properly fried and it's time to take it out. These are pretty heavy, so don't pick it up from the stick or else the stick will come out and this will remain inside. And we'll keep it on a plate with tissue like this so that the excess of oil soaks out. chicken cheese sticks are ready to be served. This might take a little bit of effort, but trust me, it's totally worth it. Do try out this recipe. I hope you like it. I'm sure you'll like it. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.